Hi everybody, welcome to math. It's a new week of math. Okay, well, I've got some pictures on the board. What are those pictures of? Those are a picture of apples. Hopefully you can see that. I tried to, freehand an apple without tracing it. But the good thing about apples is they're all shaped a little bit differently. Even though they're mostly round, they're not completely round, so it's okay if you do them a little wrong. All right, well, let's count our apples. That's how we're going to start today. All right, ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. I'm going to put a tally mark for every apple. How many tally marks do I need if there's one for every apple? 5, right? Because there's 5 apples. Okay, so I'm going to put a tally mark for each apple. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I know there's a line here. Maybe I'll make this that line because I don't want that to confuse you. That line in the middle. So I'm going to move this apple over so it matches with that line. Okay. All right. So we've got 5 tally marks to go with our 5 apples. Now, when we make tally marks and we get to 5, there is a special way that we make the 5th tally mark. So this is 5 apples and 5 tally marks. But now let me show you another way that we kind of do it. And you'll learn this when you get a little older, but I should start showing you now. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And instead of writing the 5th tally mark here, I take that tally mark and cross over all of these. And that shows me that this is a group of 5. Okay? So this tally mark kind of goes with that apple. All right, it's a little confusing, but some of you are super smart out there, and I bet you can figure this out. Okay? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, good job on that. So now I'm going to get rid of my apples, and we're going to get out our boxes and our dot stickers. So you can grab those while I am removing my apples, and we will get ready to do our groupings for today. All right, so that's that. We don't need that up there anymore. Okay. So here is our work for today. That way everybody can see it. A little higher. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. All right, so what we're going to do is put our dot stickers in the boxes. And I would like to put yellow in the first group of boxes on the paper and then pink in the second group. All right, so you can copy what I'm doing if you didn't understand that, because I just maybe not too clear on that. So this is our first group up here, and I'm going to put yellow in each of these boxes, okay? And if you guys need time after I finish and you are not finished, just stop the tape for just a minute, stop the video, and finish up so you can catch up, okay? All right, so I did all of mine on this one. Now when we come to this one, I'm going to do yellow across the top because that's our first group of boxes, okay? So let me get all those in. But then here I have a second group of boxes, and that's where I'd like to put my pink ones. Don't worry, we'll count all of them. I just want to make different colors. All right, so now again, down here, our first group is right here. So that group is going to get yellow. Okay, and our second group is here. So that group is going to get pink. Oops, a little bit off on those. All right. And at the bottom, our first group gets yellow. And I think you'll find you have just enough of the dot stickers to fit everything. And if you did the colors a different way, it would not have worked. All right, so let me finish my yellow, and let me do my pink. Okay. So now we've filled in, let's see if you can see that. Oh, it's not the greatest. Can everybody see that? Okay. All right, I'll pull it back off again, but I can't write with it unless it's on the board. All right, so now we're going to count all of our dots. It doesn't matter what color they are. We're going to count all of our dots in each group, okay? So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay, this group has 6. Let's try this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This group has 6. Wow, it's a different shape, but it has 6. All right, let's try this group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, another group of 6. Let's try this last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that, everybody. All of our groups had 6 in them. Even though they were different shapes, even though they were grouped differently, they're all the same total number of squares. 6 doesn't always have to look like that. 6 can look like all of these groups. It can be a group of 5 and 1, a group of 3 and 3, or a group of 4 and 2. All right, friends, great job grouping the number 6. Have a good day.